In this video, I will show you how to buy and send Bitcoin on Crypto.com. To do this, first go and open up the Crypto.com app. Step number 1 is to buy some Bitcoin. So click on the buy button and here under assets, find Bitcoin. If you don't see it here, just go and type it into the search bar and it will then show up. So select Bitcoin and now you can choose how much you would like to buy. So for example, 10 euros. Now you can see I only have 1 euro in my euro account. So what I can do is deposit some euro or click on buy with and change my payment method to, for example, Apple Pay. Now here you can click review order and then just click on buy with whatever payment method you are using. Then you will see successful purchase. So you have now bought some Bitcoin. The next step is to send it. So to do that, go to accounts in the bottom and here just refresh it until you see your Bitcoin. Then go and click on that Bitcoin and scroll down a little bit and click on withdrawal. Then select an external wallet, or if you're sending it to another Crypto.com user, you can select that as well. But I'll do an external wallet. Now here you can connect the external wallet by clicking on the plus in the top right. Then select wallet address for the withdrawal method, and now here you can paste in the wallet address that you want to send this Bitcoin to. So if you want to send to your Coinbase account or someone else's Coinbase account, just get the wallet address for Bitcoin on that exchange, paste it in here, and if it is your account, select I am the owner of this wallet address. If it's someone else's wallet, then untick it and just enter their details right here. Under wallet type, just set it to whatever exchange you are sending to, or if it's something like Phantom Wallet, then set it to a non-custodial wallet here at the top. So after you add the address, it will show up in your list here. You can then select it, for example my Coinbase here, and then click confirm and withdrawal. Then just choose how much you would like to withdraw and click on withdrawal. And from there, when you click confirm, it will be sent to that wallet address. So that's how to buy and send Bitcoin on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.